All right. No overproduction on this one. We're just going to pick the winner of the 2017 giveaway on the random comment picker here. So we have the video open. We're going to go to the random comment picker and paste the URL. Oh my gosh. We're going to paste the URL. If it'll let me.
Because it's a dumb computer.
What is going on here? Go to salsa.
How's the salsa?
Okay, here we go. We paste the URL. There we go. Load comments. Loading comments. 70 comments. Okay. Click button below to pick a winner. Randomly pick winner.
Pick winner.
68 unique users found. Michael Fuller. Congratulations. You have won this lovely rod holder, 2-piece. And that little fishy, go ahead Jules, show it up close. Little fishy that Jules made, she's also going to paint it, but this will be a great display for your rods. Congratulations, Mr. Michael Fuller. Please, Donna, I don't know what you're doing over there. Please send me a private message on Facebook. Well, you can send it on Facebook or on YouTube. Or I will link my email below, and that will be the easiest way for us to get in touch. And you can let me know your information, where to send this thing. And congratulations. And Happy New Year, everybody.